Hello, everybody. Rhonda Schaefer here in Fairport, New York. Thank you for watching this video today. And I will be talking about building your personal brand on social media. At the end, give me a like and subscribe if you liked this video. And remember, click on the bell so you know when I go live and create valuable content just like this for you. I try to keep it simple when I talk about topics so you can get a bird's eye view. Then if you have questions, I know that you will make a comment. The main thing about personal branding on social media is that it could help you to land a job. It helps you keep in touch with your friends, foster connections, and let people know what you stand for. Here are 10 steps to building your brand on social media, according to the Digital Marketing Institute. 1. Fully update the social media accounts that you are using and delete any old accounts. Identify your area of expertise, something you're really good at or proud of. Make posting easy with apps to help you with things like remembering passwords and cross-posting across your social media networks. Share content on a regular basis, and not so much that you'll get people annoyed. And analyze the data related to your posts too, so you can identify patterns. Create and curate engaging content. It's fine to share others' content, and even better to share your own, because you can give it a fresh idea or a fresh approach. Import your contacts into your social networks to see how many connections you're missing. Keep it positive. Find and join groups and build authority around your personal brand. Keep your brand voice, image, and tone consistent with who you are. And study influencers. There's a great deal to learn from them. And it's not easy to develop your personal brand on social media, yet I find it to be fun and mentally stimulating. With that said, thank you for watching. Comment below and subscribe if you liked what you heard today. Good day.